Yeah, man.
What up, one? I am Michael Marvin Samuels. Watch me cook chicken, beans, curry stew. Ensure to wash the vegetables properly. Diced small onion. Diced 1 stalk scallion. 2 dried pimento berries. 1/4-inch piece hot pepper. I am using Scotch bonnet pepper. 1/4-inch piece ginger with skin optional. 2 or 3 mashed garlic cloves. 2 between 3 teaspoons salt. I am using sea salt. Herbal or ready-made seasonings. 3, maybe 4 teaspoons curry powder. 1/4 teaspoon any flavored distilled vinegar. A can of broad or butter beans. Ensure to clean and wash the chicken properly for cooking. Use 1 between 2 pounds chicken parts. Now use a cooking scissors or a sharp knife. Chop 2 between 3 inches chicken chunks. You could use the chicken parts instead. If you want, add seasonings on chicken. Cover it. Allow it to marinate 2 between 3 hours room temperature overnight in the refrigerator. If you want to start cooking now, follow me. Put a medium-sized saucepan / stew pot on the stove. Turn the stove's flame gauge on 4 medium-low. If inside of the pot is wet, dry, add piece ginger. Measure and add 1/4 cup or less cooking oil. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. Measure and add 3, maybe 4 teaspoons curry powder. This is burning the curry. Allow the curry to burn for a few seconds. After a few seconds, add the chicken parts or chicken chunks. Put each chicken part on its own spot in the pan. Allow it to cook for a few seconds and then use a cooking fork. Flip the chicken on the other side. And then allow it to cook for a few seconds. After that, add half seasonings. Add half onion, add half mashed garlic, add salt, add half diced scallion, and then add herbal or ready-made seasonings. Use a cooking spoon. Stir in. And then measure and add 2 cups water. Add 1/4 teaspoon any flavored distilled vinegar. Use a spoon. Stir in. Use the pan's lid. Cover it properly. The stove's gauge is on 4 medium-low. Allow. Wash the surface of the can clean and then drain water. I like to rinse the canned bean before cooking it. After 10 minutes, this is it. Use a cooking spoon. Stir in. And then use the pan's lid. Cover it properly. The stove's gauge is still on 4 medium-low. Allow. After 10 minutes more, totaling 20 minutes, this is it. Use a cooking spoon. Stir in. After 10 minutes more, totaling 30 minutes, add the remaining seasonings in the stew. And then add canned beans. I am using broad beans today. You could use butter beans instead. Use a cooking spoon. Stir in. Use the pan's lid. Cover it. I am reading this recipe from Cookbook, Jamaican Food Recipes. It's a 8 by 10, 511 pages book that you can lay out on a table for easy reading. After 10 minutes more, totaling 40 minutes. This is it. Use a cooking spoon. Stir in right around the saucepan. This curried chicken looks good. Use a pan's lid. Cover it. Allow simmering. After 5 minutes more, totaling 45 minutes, this is it. Use a cooking spoon. Stir in right around the stew pot. When the gravy/stew starts sticking to the pot's bottom, this is a sign it's ready. This is ready. Turn off the stove. Use a pan's lid. Cover it until serving. It's a good thing if you allow the flavor of this chicken beans curry stew to mature on the stove for between 3 hours. Warm it up before serving it. This is chicken beans curry stew. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. You should try cooking this chicken beans curry stew yourself. I am sure you will love eating it. You should try cooking this meal yourself. When you do, give us feedback. This is chicken beans curry stew, aka curried chickens with broad beans. I am reading this recipe from Cookbook, Jamaican Food Recipes. It's a 8 by 10, 511 pages book for easy reading. You can lay it out on a table. This meal tastes like a typical curried chicken meal. This is just another way to cook curried chicken. Personally, I love the taste of butter beans or broad beans with curry stew. The flavor is curried chicken with beans. Until next time, Magan.